When I say I'm a golfer, we need to have a very broad definition. I mean, Tiger Woods and I have the same equipment, but he plays an entirely different game. My name is Paul Malin. I'm 69 years old. I live and work here in Scottsdale, Arizona. I'm a member of the Arizona Country Club. Kinomatic, the way it was introduced to me, appealed to me intuitively, because I know from my experiences in the medical field that the body doesn't forgive or forget any insult to it. When I heard that this could potentially cut the surgical time dramatically, well, intuitively I knew that would be a good thing post-operatively. The right knee was actually replaced in 2019, and I have to say that the knee was a challenge for me. And I came out of that and I had a lot of inflammation. We struggled, and we struggled. Bottom line is, in the first surgery, as I recall, it was a couple of months that I was with the OxyContin. With this surgery, I stopped after 2 days. So, in terms of flexibility and amount of swelling and so on and so forth, huge difference for me. And it's a pretty good comparison. Same patient, same doctor, but you give him better stuff to work with and he can do more for you. And I feel like he did that. I think most people probably wait too long to deal with the problem. And what you really need to do is find a really great doctor, work up a plan, and deal with it. Whenever you have a plan, you have a better chance of success. This is more than a plan, it's more like a rehearsal. You got to put on the VR thing and you go in there and you're in my knee. Can you imagine? Have a run through, how much better that would be. Even if you watch our golf pro out here, you put a ball on the ground and ask him to putt it. The first putt, pretty good. Give him another ball, do that again, it's always better. When you don't have knee pain, or when you know you can walk a mile, then that opens up a whole different world. That's why I'm happy to talk about it, because it's I can't do it again. I mean, you only get one knee, so the only thing I can do is vicariously share the experience with other people and say, if you're in this situation, this is something you ought to think about.